This set is brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. Do you see Cassie Carvalho on the bench?
I don't think Cassie Carvalho is suited up for the match, which is why Arlene Wahe is the setter.
Nicely done.
And Beda really want to start off strong, especially when you're going up against an experienced team like UST. Actually, her form, you can really see she's from Japan. Yung pormahan din niya. But I like the consistency she brings to UST despite being a rookie.
Arlene Wahe. Julia Balingit! From the insertion of Coach Kung Fu Reyes, I feel like it's Janelle Batchar. Diba?
I also noticed that actually in our previous match, one of the top scorers despite their loss.
Milk tea order now. Katubig. Pepito. Nice pass. Sa Isagula. Maganda yung depensa sa likod ni Angel Abacon. Poyos inangat. Ball still in play. It's a free ball for San Beda.
Good floor defense here from San Beda.
Ganda nung set, kaya lang.
So far, I like the movement we're seeing on the side of San Beda.
Ganda sana ng... Kita mo, wala na nakadepensa dun eh. Di lang talaga naipasok. Batchar, malayo-layo sa net. Oh, Saisagula emerging from the middle. Nice save though.
And bring that kind of winning spirit to the court. Back to you, Ken and Kerry.
Thank you so much, Fiona. Weekly pa lang magka-tune up tong dalawang to. No? Expected naman yun dahil nga dating coach ng UST si Coach Kung Fu. But again, I like to...
Like Coach Kung Fu, it's gonna take a lot of time and effort. But we already see it paying off. Despite the change being instilled just a few months ago.
Yeah. Batchar was...
And that killer instinct which we kept mentioning in their previous matchup.
Saisagula. Pass by Poyos. Hiponya jumps it up. Wahe from the pipe. Angge Poyos delivers.
What a hit coming from the back.
14-6. Abaco, napayungan. Mapupunta ang dig by Pepito. Campos bumps it up to Angel Habacon. Nice coverage by Arlene Wahe. Balingit with a bazooka.
Arlene Wahe for those sets.
Naka-ace pa. From the pipe, Gula. San Beda moving much better. Pepito picks it up. Poyos. Pancake save by Hiponya. Nice rally here between these two squads. Balingit picks it up her own. Poyos had to adjust. Angel Abaco na itawid. Mahaba-habang rally ito. Angge Poyos will not be denied this time. Nice jump serve. Balingit. Corner pocket. Angel Abacon. Batchar cross-scored. Arasan was there. Balingit. Diving in was Angel. Habacon. Naitawid. Angel will set up Janelle Batchar off the block.
Janelle Batchar.
Angge Poyos. Outside. Cober. Kat Molina. Yes.
There was a check.
Ganda ng serve. Free ball for UST. Jurado, tinulak. Espina. Papunta kay Angel Abacon.
To be established and in place.
Pepito, better reception. Balingi puts it away.
Julia.
Second set. Castillo. Inangat ni Arasan. Jurado. Fernandez, nandoon si Espina. Molina susubok. Lalabas yan.
Molina trying to...
Far nahihirapan sa first ball, Kayla.
And also, though Arasan is doing a great job in the service deck. Or was doing a good job, rather.
7-1.
Arasan really...
Ay! Nagkakagulo na. With Coach Shaq de los Santos, from what I understand, he's battling flu. So, our kulay.
Very eye-catching.
Oo. Different shade of yellow. Really serving for San Beda. Fernandez one more time. Biong pops it up. De La Cruz is finally at the front row. Fernandez guiding it over and through.
Angel Habacon now in the floor.
Silang. Ay!
Mista.
Silang. Binalikan si Fernandez. Masyadong malakas. At nice pick up by Habacon. You could just sense, Kayla, it's much different when Habacon is there. Lumalaban siya, no, in terms of picking up those balls. Pero si Silang nakaisa para sa USD. Hindi pa siya masyadong nakaka-attempt dito. Si Batchar ang pinuntahan ni Kat Molina. Ngayon, si De La Cruz sa kabila. Free ball. Nice pass. De La Cruz again! No, it's out.
Check.
Humabol ang Binild. And Coach Kung Fu Reyes was harping about yung endgame.
And the killer instinct that he was looking for. Yung panapos ng San Beda.
Ah! Arasan, all power! Lumabas yung serve that time ni Marga Altea. Down by 17 points. Silang. Arasan outside. Silang. Arasan will not be denied this time.
Steph Arasan.
Here's a fun family and pizza at Shakey's. Habacon. Down the line, yes. Batchar off the block.
Janelle Batchar gets going.
Habacon, binasag yung block.
Angel Habacon, her youth.
Representing our country internationally. Oh, Reg gets it to go. Season. Sobrang na-impress si Coach Yani. She just walked in during a tryout. Nang mapabilang dun sa lineup. Tinrabaho niya na ma-acclimate sa sistema. And now, she's a capable backup setter for UST. Nang mapabilang dun sa lineup. Tinrabaho niya na ma-acclimate sa sistema. And now, she's a capable backup setter for UST.
So far, really doing a great job actually in today's match in the absence of Cassie Carvalho.
Yeah.
Arlene Wahe usually only playing in that second set. But nice that she gets the opportunity now to play almost the entire game.
Ay! Naka-ace si Reg Jurado.
Faulty receive this time for UST.
Hula goes long. It's in.
Sabi niya. In difficult moments, especially when they lose sight of the system, Angel chooses calm over loud words and energy, but with heart and strength. Back to you, Ken and Kayla.
Thank you, Fiona. Arlene Wahe, another good serve. Habacon rises, was sent back.
It was a block point.
Angel, yes!
Abacon though, siya rin yung nakapuntos.
Sa lahat. Lumabas yung palo ni Red Jurado. Batchar, cross court, gets that one to go.
Miss.
De La Cruz has shown flashes of brilliance. Red Jurado
Again. Pero talagang tinarget niya yung zone na yon.
nag-iisip talaga sa court. Kayla Reyes, Fiona Bacanin, yung kasama sa last day ng round number 2 bago tayo pumasok sa quarterfinals.
In terms of their offense,
Batchar na save ni Isa Gula pero hindi nagkaintindihan. Kat Molina with a good serve. Poyos. Castillo itinawid. Castillo goes long. Nice smart play.
that we saw only reaching 9 in terms of their scoring. But Marga Altea again, this time off a running attack.
Ganda na sagot nung Altea. Kailangan magtiwala ka din na kahit tingin mo, hindi option yun, pero baka pwede. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Benji doon sa last timeout na yun. Actually, maganda yung katubig connection that time, pero nandalang yung approach for this team, I feel like. Molina getting back to Angel Abacon. Katubig, handa doon si Silang for the recoil. Jurado, nandun si Castillo sa likod. Katubig, napayungan, walang coverage. Castillo. From the left pin, Angel Abacon. Oy, yun lang, yung second ball. Nabitawan. Diyan magtatapos ang laban ng San Beda at UST.